This is the OLA Future Factory. We are building the world's largest two-wheeler factory here in India. This factory will have 15% of the world's capacity of two-wheelers. We will produce 10 million scooters a year, or one scooter every 2 seconds. Our goal at Ola has been to build products which are both sustainable and also revolutionary compared to what exists in the market. And we've designed a scooter that has the best design, best performance, and best technology. Quite simply, it's the best scooter ever built. And we're calling it the Ola S1. But I'm going to focus on 3 key themes: the best design, the best performance, and the best technology. And the S1 is designed to be young and vibrant, with best-in-class functionality. Fluid design, iconic headlamps, large boot space for 2 helmets, and stunning colors. Now let's talk about performance. The Ola S1 has the best performance ever seen in a scooter. 0 to 40 in just 3 seconds, and 0 to 60 in just 5 seconds, going all the way to a top speed of 115 kilometers per hour, and an incredible range of 190 kilometers per charge. The Ola S1 creates a new performance benchmark for scooters. It comes with 3 modes: normal, sport, and hyper. The S1 in hyper mode is basically the craziest vehicle I have ever driven, faster than many sports bikes. It has the most powerful motor in the category, with 8.5 kilowatt of peak power. Largest battery pack with a 3.92 kilowatt hour capacity. Both are industry benchmarks, almost 30% higher than anybody else. You can charge the battery in 6 hours at your home with the 750 watt portable charger, or you can charge it 50% in just 18 minutes in our hypercharger network across India. With reverse mode, you can come in and out of parking spaces easily. Just twist the throttle in the opposite direction. And if you're ever on a slippery slope, our motor will hold you in place with hill hold. This, along with the front and rear disc brakes, front monoshock absorber, and the extra wide tires, give you an uncompromising ride and control, even if you're speeding away in hyper mode. One of the coolest features we've built in S1 is cruise control. Just press a button and S1 will automatically maintain the speed you've selected and keep it there, whether you're going down a slope or coming up a hill. We've built a completely new operating system for our scooter, the Move OS. We wanted to shatter the boring and non-personalized and frankly non-existent experiences in today's scooters. And we've done it by introducing not just one, but multiple leapfrog technologies. Move OS comes to life on a gorgeous 7-inch touchscreen display. It's the sharpest, brightest touchscreen display ever put in a scooter. Underneath the display is one of the most powerful vehicle computers, designed and engineered by Ola in India. It's powered by an octa-core processor, 3 GB RAM, and a high-speed connectivity through 4G, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. Now I'm going to show you something really cool that we've built. So watch me closely here.
Hi, Bhavish. Bye, Bhavish.
So you see, this scooter senses when I come closer and it unlocks itself. And when I walk away, it senses that I walked away and it locks itself. So this vehicle actually comes without any keys. This is the way the scooter locks and unlocks. You can either do this or use your app or use the screen of the scooter to lock it and unlock it. Today, we are introducing Moods. Now, Moods radically changes the entire ride experience, including the look, feel, and even how your scooter sounds. This is Bolt, pure adrenaline. We've designed it for those who love speed. It puts the speed and power right at the center. This is Care. The tree of your choice will grow as much as the carbon dioxide you're saving every day by riding the S1. Let's go old school now. This is Vintage. Inspired from the heritage of the finest craftsmanship, this is how the S1 would have looked in the 50s. Cutting to the future, this is Wonder, a pure sci-fi experience with the sound to match. And these are just my favorite moods. I can't wait for you to discover your favorite ones and customize it to your exact tastes. Let me show you how. This is your dash, preloaded with all your favorite information. For me, it's my riding playlist and the traffic in the area. But if I change my mind and want to know about today's weather, it's just a swipe away. Or vehicle performance information. The choices of widgets are endless, and each mood has a unique design for each widget, making your dash infinitely customizable. Flashes load instantly to give you access to most used features like navigation and music. With fully native maps that provide real-time traffic information and turn-by-turn instructions, Ola S1 provides the best navigation experience on any vehicle. So you never need to strap a phone to your scooter's dashboard again. And all of this works even if you're offline. We know scooters are a family vehicle. And now every member of your family gets their own profile. And so can your best friend and guests, or even valets. Profiles are packed with powerful features that ensure safety of all your family members. From live location tracking to remote battery and health alerts, the Ola Electric app keeps you updated about your scooter. In case you ever need to service your S1, the app allows you to seamlessly make an appointment for your at-home service. The app also allows you to control all essential functions like locking and unlocking your scooter with just a tap. That's not the only way to control your Ola S1. Powered by a multi-microphone array and AI speech recognition algorithms that we've built in-house, the Ola scooter can be controlled with your voice. Just say, "Hey Ola, play some music." So you can take the party on the road. Oh, and you can take calls with a tap on the control pad or with your voice. Let's take this one. "Hey Ola, accept the call." It has the best performance in its category. 0 to 40 in just 3 seconds. A top speed of 115 kilometers per hour and a range of 181 kilometers on a single charge. It has the best technology, proximity unlock, moods, personalized vehicle sounds, voice controls, and many, many more such amazing, incredible, and even magical features. Our scooter comes in two variants. The S1, with its 121 kilometer range and 90 kilometer per hour top speed, sets the industry benchmark. And the S1 Pro takes it even further, with 181 kilometers of range and a mind-blowing top speed of 115 kilometers per hour. You've all been asking me, "Kitne ka hai aur kab milega?" The S1 is truly a revolution. And a revolutionary product deserves a revolutionary price. So kitne ka hai? The S1 comes for just 99,999 and the S1 Pro for 129,999. And we have some great EMI options for you too. With state subsidies, the S1 and the S1 Pro become even more affordable. In Delhi, with the state subsidies adjusted, the S1 is just 85,099 rupees and the S1 Pro is just 110,149 rupees, making them more affordable than most petrol scooters. In Gujarat, it's even better, with S1 at 79,999 and S1 Pro at just 109,999 respectively. Those of you who have reserved can purchase starting September 8th, and we'll start deliveries in October. And if you haven't already, head over to olaelectric.com and reserve your favorite color and variant today so that we can bring you the scooter as soon as possible.